Good afternoon, everybody. Donnie here, and today I have the SnapTain. This is the A15H. It's got altitude hold. If you guys watch my channel, I did an unboxing on this because the weather was pretty bad, so I'll leave a link up in the corner there so you guys can see the unboxing. Before I get started, I just want to let you know that this is an app recording, so you cannot put any memory card in this whatsoever, so you have to do it through the app. So I'm going to get this started. I went ahead and opened up the arms. I'm going to go ahead and get the phone out. It just connects right here. So I'll put the phone in there, and then I'll connect to SnapTain Air. So you can find that on Android or iOS. So it's SnapTain Air, guys, is the name of the app you'll want to get a hold of and download. So I'll be right back, and we'll get this thing ready to go up in the air. Alright guys, I got my landing pad set up. Hey, that is courtesy of Brian from True Drone Reviews, so thank you, Brian, for that landing pad. I always wanted one. I didn't put the spikes in because I don't think this has that much thrust to worry about blowing this away, and the wind's pretty calm at about 2 to 3 mile an hour wind, so, and that's just in the gusts. So alright, I'm going to go ahead and set this down. I'm going to turn it on. The lights are coming on. Always make sure that you got the cap off of this because it does come with a cap. So I took the camera cap off. Okay, we got the controller here. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, then I'm going to bind it up, down. Now it's bound. That stayed lit up, and so did the drone, which is hard to see. Get some shade over it here. You can see that it's lit up. It stopped blinking. So, all right, let's get the phone out. I'm just checking to make sure there's no bystanders here so I don't go and run into them. Okay, there's SnapTain Air. I don't know if you guys are going to see this because of the reflection, but there's SnapTain Air. And I'm going to see if the Wi-Fi is connected to it. Let's go into Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi is connected. I have airplane mode on so that way I don't get no interference from any other apps. So all I want to do, you got tutorials, simulations, things like that. You can check through gallery, and you can contact SnapTain on Amazon if you need to. But we're going to go into function display. Alright, so have picture right now. And this does come with 2 batteries, guys, so which is pretty cool. I'm just going to do a flight with the controller today. I'm not going to do the phone flight. So I'll show you some functions on just using the controller, but the lags there, you know, that's pretty much with almost any Wi-Fi toy grade. So it does have some lag, and you do have to record through the app. So let me see if this will hold. And the connector, my phone may be too big. Nope, it's fitting, barely is fitting. So alright, we got it in there. So I'm going to go ahead and calibrate the gyros. So I believe this one is down to the left. No, that's to start it. Okay. Trying to remember which one it was here. There it is. Down and in. Okay, it just flashed. So down and in. Flashing, it's calibrating the gyros. Now it's saying it's level. We're ready to go. So you can either fire this up by going to the outside like that, and then you can disarm it like that, or there's a 1-key takeoff, which I'm going to try right now. I'm going to press the record. It's recording. 1-key takeoff. The wind's coming from this way, so it is going to start pushing it. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that Yeah, alright. It comes with 2 batteries, but it's already giving me the low battery signal. So let me bring this down. I'm going to swap out the batteries and just see, because sometimes you may get a bad battery. So let me go swap out the battery and see if that makes a difference. I'll be right back, you guys. Alright guys, I'm back. I turned that on. Let me turn the controller back on. Let me bind it. Then I'm going to calibrate it. Alright. This thing only got about 6-7 minute flight, so that was probably it. So I'm gonna have to kind of go through this really quick, because you don't get hardly any flight time. That's why they give you 2 batteries. I think it says up to 10 minutes or so, but I only got about 7. So let's go ahead and take off, and I'm gonna try the flip. There it goes. Up, fly away, guys. Come on. Trying to land it. Oh, crap. There we go. I barely caught it, you guys. How lucky is that? Yeah, I wasn't up very far. I was not up very far at all, as you can see. What, maybe 20 meters, if that. 15 meters, and this thing was trying to fly away. I'm sorry, it may look like a Mavic Pro, but it is definitely not a Mavic Pro, guys. So I definitely don't recommend this one at this time. And if I do, you know, it flies okay, but you can only go a few meters out. So I can't say that I 100% like this one. You would definitely have to stay within this area about right here. Very short range, because it lost connection pretty quick, and it wasn't even very high up. So I don't know, guys. I'd pass, to be honest with you. Sorry, SnapTain, but I can't go and recommend something that's gonna fly away on somebody and maybe run into their house or into traffic. You can see there's traffic over there. What if that landed in the car window or hit somebody walking? So I'm gonna go and bring this thing down, stop the recording, I don't even think I'm going to test out the phone functions, guys. I was pressing automatic land when it was flying away, and it wasn't even stopping. So there you have it, guys. The SnapTain A15H. It's a no-go for me, so I'm passing on it. So alright guys, hey, thanks for watching. At the time, I don't recommend this. I was probably only about 15 feet up, maybe about 30 feet out. It wasn't very far, and this thing lost connection, started drifting, and I couldn't catch up because I still got this boot on, still trying to heal. I didn't think I was going to catch it, and then for some reason I must have got close enough, and then all of a sudden it picked up signal again. I brought it back over. I tried pressing automatic land, it wouldn't do it, so I had to actually bring it back to me, and I finally got it back to me and back to the landing pad safely. But you know, I don't recommend this. If there was a child or someone that's inexperienced flying this, they would have lost it. It would have went into traffic over here. Even though I'm in a big soccer field out there, you know, you never know where a flyaway is going to go and which way it's going to go. So with these, I don't recommend right now. So it does have a cool factor. Looks like a Mavic Pro, but it is still just a toy, guys. So at the moment, I don't recommend it. Sorry, SnapTain, but I'll have to pass on this. Thank you guys for watching. Like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.